Merry Christmas from the Barn of Terror. Up here in Bloomington, Indiana, we are up here for their Krampus event, taking place here for the first couple weeks of December. This is our very first time visiting the Barn of Terror. We've got no idea what to expect, but judging by some of these characters that are running around outside, it's gonna be pretty scary in there. And also, the show that you're gonna see tonight is only about 75% or so of what the whole Barn of Terror includes during the normal haunt season. Like they told us there's parts of the barn here that aren't even open tonight, and then there's a whole outdoor section that we're not gonna see tonight. So definitely make sure you come out here and see them during the normal Halloween season as well. But without further ado, let's get in here and see if we can get some scares. So once you step foot inside the barn here, they do have a pretty cool little concession shack here. You can get you some light concessions here right before you meet your fate inside the Barn of Terror. After you.
Oh. Look at all these. It's a big snail.
You guys ever been here before?
No, this is our first time.
Alrighty. There's no touching of the props or actors inside. No cell phones. No foul language inside the barn as well. If it slips, it slips. We just ask you don't make it a habit.
That's a challenge.
That's a challenge for me. I will try my best. Yes.
When you guys are ready, you guys are good to head on in.
We're good?
Yeah.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ooh, fog. Ooh. I saw something run. I don't know what it was. Yeah.
Alerting them to our presence.
Ooh. There's somebody's mailbox and there's a house.
Yeah.
What is that? I don't know. I don't trust it. Ooh. I like their Christmas lights though. Uh-oh. Missing.
Hey!
Oh, whoa. Yeah?
What made you think it was a good idea to come in here with the lights off?
The lady rang the bell.
They told me I had to.
Just take it. Go.
Oh, okay.
That
Ooh,
way.
I have a flashlight.
Oh, we got a flashlight.
Thank God.
You have to catch us.
Shoot. Oh. Trick or treat. Ew, spiders. Yuck. I don't need a flashlight
Lots
at
of
the moment.
webs.
Oh.
God.
Oh, what is that? You did? Where did you
Took him?
pull
Where'd you
him?
take him to?
Are we
don't
gonna find
know?
him?
For you to find out.
Oh.
Uh-oh. This is so cool. I like the flashlight. Uh-oh. That's a dead end. Ooh.
That way.
Okay.
Go on.
Get back in
Since
here
you chose to
again.
be in here, idiots.
Well,
Look at
I
that
don't
poor
know if we
doggo.
did.
He's in the corner.
Mr. Santa Claus, la 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 la.
Yeah.
This is coming in here to put you all in his basket.
He only does that to the bad boys and girls. We've been good.
Whoop, there's the Grinch.
Oh, God.
Ooh, that was a good one. Oh my goodness. You got bells. Oh, that's ooh, he's not doing so well.
Nope.
Oh gosh, that guy died on the toilet. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's stalking us.
Whoa.
Oh, God.
She's creepy. Hey.
Hey,
Hey there.
how you doing?
Well, we're trying to make it through the dark.
Years ago, you sat on the man's lap and told him what you wanted for Christmas. You
Yes,
know,
yeah.
That day when you woke up, what'd you tell him you wanted? But you
Money.
never got.
Money.
You never got any money?
Not really. He thinks that's funny.
Hey, you can go through this door right here.
Right there? Okay.
Or this door right here. You got a choice. You got a choice to make.
Shoot.
That's not
You're
good.
naughty or nice.
I'm going naughty.
You going, get some money then.
Get some money. Oh, get some money? If we get money?
No, that is not money.
Nope.
Do we
Still gonna get us.
do we go this way or that way?
I think it's
This
the
way?
other door.
Oh, we follow him. I don't think we should, but I mean, I think he
Right.
wants us to. Okay. I think I understand your language now.
Maybe.
Uh-oh, okay. There's a big tree. I don't trust some of them. Where do we go? Ooh. This is really big.
It is big.
Yes, it is.
Yep.
I think
the
that's a, yeah.
Oh, God.
He's gonna eat the kids. I'm not a child, for what it's worth.
I can see where there'd be confusion.
Sneaky. Oh!
Oh, God.
Oh, what a pretty
Oh,
light.
no, but I need that.
It's Jack.
Jack.
What a pretty light.
He took your flashlight.
I told you
I do want it.
You can't have it.
Oh, come on now. There's Oogie Boogie coming through the wall.
Oh.
Oh, there's an old computer there. Maybe that's what Santa gave us. Uh-oh, okay. Oh, we got some flippers. Oh my goodness, whoa. Whoa. Them creepy masks. Ew, one of them's gonna be freaking real and it's weird with the, ew. Oh, I don't trust you. This light's not doing anything.
Oh God.
Ah! I don't, ow!
Uh-oh.
Shit!
What was that?
Shoot. I don't trust him. Okay, ew, that's creepy. I hope you like the dentist.
Anybody likes the dentist. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, okay.
More evil tricksters.
Oh gosh. I don't know.
Is that you?
Yeah, for sure. I don't trust you either.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Oh God.
Don't trust
Is
it.
that you?
Yeah, Sally? Yeah.
Get out of here!
Uh-oh.
That way!
That,
Get out of here!
whoa, that's cool. Ha!
Sally!
It's like a freaking
Sally.
maze in here. Oh, now
we're
this
back
way.
in the dentist.
Sally,
I'm so confused. I love how we just randomly, what is that? I don't know, it's touching me. What in the world?
Oh, I hear a chainsaw. Oh God. They're moving all the
Oh,
doors
look at
around.
Krampus. That is a big Krampus.
Oh God.
Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Ew, you got big giant
Oh, he's
hands.
alive.
Oh lordy. Oh my
God.
goodness. Double tap. Uh-oh. Oh crap. We're outside. Oh wow. Yes, it's Sally. I think we found her. I doubt it. Do we follow the grunt?
I think we have to.
Okay.
Did we make it? Oh God.
Oh, you. I couldn't see him. Your light blinded it. Not fair. Oogie Boogie just got us. He just woogied us. Yeah. He's sneaky. Don't trust it.
Never trust.
But you should come out here to the Barn of Terror because they will terrorize you as soon as you get here in your car.
Look at all them bugs in his mouth.
I know. There's a spider though, so he's on my side because he eats spiders.
He's eating the spiders.
Don't you spit that spider out on me. Ooh.
So then once you get out of the hunt here, don't forget to stop by the merch shack here, sponsored by Oogie Boogie. All kinds of cool shirts over here. They've got some pins you can get, several different models of t-shirts, and reasonable prices. Well, that about wraps it up here for Barn of Terror up here in Bloomington, Indiana. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If this is your first time watching, we are The Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. We're gonna head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.